to create fun. And also I have my gel painting. I'm using just a little bit of gold from our gel painting. You can, if you have a gel polish. Hi Dom, how are you? Just a little bit. Hey Mary Jane. Don't need a whole lot. Stick on my hand on that one. How's everyone doing on Friday? Hope you all have a great day and busy day. So I'm gonna just give it a quick swirl. It doesn't have to be perfect. However, if you want to go the way you want it, you can absolutely do that as well. And I am going to using a blossom gels on the top of the 2 coat of the gel polish. I just accidentally touch it. Hey Mama Vic, hi Alisa, how are you? I need to move that one. Sorry, just have so many stuff because I need that one right here. So if you want to spread the design, the a little bit thicker layer will make your designs or the gel polish that you're gonna apply on spreads faster. If you want it's a little bit slow, you can do it thinner. And I'm gonna pick up my tinted brush. I am right here. Okay, good. Pick up part of it. Hi Eric, I think Eric, it was earlier. I didn't, if I meet you. I just like this part. It's some more. And you can work in the parts that you would like to. Just a little bit in a bit. There you go. If you're happy with this, we'll go into cure this one for flash cure this. Hey, Eric. Hey, Plush Nails, how are you? Thank you so much for tuning in, everyone. This really nails is really nice. I want to put some of this on. Should I? Okay. Let's do this one. And the next one, we're going to do the flowers 40. Great. Let me see. I want that part. Okay. So I am going to using chamfer foil, premium iHo chamfer foil. And this will cure for 30 seconds. Hey Fire, how are you? Pixie. How are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. And we're probably going to do this part because it stands out really good. I think last couple videos ago, I did using this part of the maple leaves, I think. And I'm going to do that one. You can't using any part of this foil. I believe that foil it is number 50. I'm gonna grab it for you just shortly. I think number 50 right there. Okay. And just lay the foil wherever design you would like to. And just press firmly, remove that. Super cute already. So if you don't want anything, no crystal placement, nothing, you can absolutely top coat it and it's good to go. Let me see, I really want to get that one on. Look at that.
You might want to stay on theme with that one though.
No? It looks so cool though. It looks so opposite.
It does.
Should I? Too big?
How about do a little charm for this one?
Huh?
Say the flower for next.
No, this one. I was so fascinating with all the charms and flowers. Sorry.
I don't think it's... Oh, there you go.
Looks good. These are new charms. Super cute. Okay, I'm going to do that one. If you don't, as I say, if you don't want anything, you can just top coat and it's good to go. But I am going to share with you how I'm using, can I get that one? Whole tray. And I am going to continue playing with my baby mix jars and acrylics flowers. It's really stunning. I've been playing with this for the past 2 weeks and none of them have a dance in it, even though I did a lot of nails. I didn't even feel anything at all. It's still the original one I'm using. It's just like a little bit messy and I clean it up every single of tutorials, but it's still here. And then another 4 trays out, the jars out there, so I couldn't get it. So let's see, what can I do with, I'm gonna use this one. See, I just spilled that one, sorry. Because they are, and then, can I get the orange one too? Orange one. They're so much fun to play with. And I'm gonna apply the condensed wool gel. Really thick density. I'm gonna use this two together. You do not need a whole lot. Make sure you have a top coat on. Apply some no white top coat on the top of your condensed wool gel. This is not only completely finished after you're done, also the condensed wool gels and no white top coat will grab your base of your crystal, your charm, your chains in one place, and it's like a double adheres the charm and the crystals. There's few of them. I really want to do it, but I just fall in love with this cute charms. It has a lot going on in there. It's quite heavy though. See, couldn't grab it. Let me get my tweezer. Usually when I get this big, then I get my tweezer. You can go different way. You can go that direction, or you can have your charms, the crystal that, maybe that one, it looks good. There you go. You do however you would like. I'm going to using my super cute acrylics mix jars. Continue dress it up. You don't have to. If the clients want simple, just let them be simple. I'm going to do just on the edges right there. Just add them even more dramatic. There you go. And some orange. Just like have a really cool contrast. Continue add some on. More charm. Oh, nice. Okay, you give me more charm so I can do it with right there. Just want a little bit. I didn't want to take away from that cute chamfer foil and a blossom gel. However, here, okay. If you like more, you can absolutely add it more on. I just want to wipe off on the nails and here for 60 seconds. Looks so cute.